Hey, if you're living the keto lifestyle and have a trip coming up, you might be wondering, how do I stay in ketosis while I'm traveling? Well, today I break down 3 simple but powerful strategies to help you to avoid carb traps, stay on track, and actually enjoy traveling while staying keto strong. Let's dive in. Point number 1, build your keto travel kit. Well, the best way to stay in control while traveling, you ask? Well, be prepared. Your keto travel kit is your best friend, especially during long flights, layovers, or hotel downtime. Here's what I pack. Proteins like grass-fed beef sticks, canned tuna, or a jerky. Check for added sugars. Fats like single-serve nut butters or MCT oil packets. Keto snacks like cheese crisps, macadamia nuts, or dark chocolate, 85% or more. And don't forget electrolyte packets to stay hydrated and avoid those keto flu symptoms. Keep this kit in your carry-on, backpack, or even your car, so you never get caught hungry with nothing keto around. Point number 2, master the art of eating out. You don't have to avoid restaurants. Just learn how to ketofy your order. Here's the trick. Stick to protein and veggies and healthy fats. Grilled meats, sautéed greens, eggs, avocado. Yes, even most diners can handle that. Say no bun, no bread, no sugar sauces. And don't be afraid to customize. Most restaurants are used to special requests. Even gas stations and convenience stores often carry hard-boiled eggs, cheese, nuts, or pickles. It's all about looking with a keto cautious eye. Point number 3, use digital tools and community help. Travel smart with the help of apps and online resources. Apps like Carb Manager, Chronometer, MyFitnessPal, or even Keto Diet help you track food and macros while on the go. Plus, before you travel, check out keto Facebook groups, especially the ones with travel tips, Google Maps for nearby health food stores or keto-friendly spots, and even local menus online, so you can plan your meals in advance. Remember, predict and prepare. There are keto travelers all over the world. Tap into that community. So there you have it. 3 easy strategies to keep your keto journey going strong no matter whatever life throws at you. If this helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite keto travel hack. See you in the next video.